Hello friends, I am Dr. Anjum Rashid. Today in this video, I will talk about the calories and nutritional facts of different kinds of fruits. Acerola is also known as West Indian cherry. 1 cup of acerola contains 31 calories and the carbohydrate content is about 8 gram. It is the most concentrated source of natural vitamin C of any known fruit and is 100 times the vitamin C content of oranges and 10 times that of guava. It is also a good source of vitamin A. 1 apple, about 138 gram, contains 81 calories and carbohydrate are about 21 gram. A fresh apple is a good source of vitamin C. However, most of the vitamin C is lost when the apple is cooked or made into juices. It is also a good source of dietary fiber in the form of pectin. 2 raw apricots, about 70 gram, contain 34 calories and 8 gram of carbohydrate. Fresh apricots are high in vitamin A, that is beta carotene, and they are also a good source of vitamin C. 1 medium-sized avocado, about 200 gram, contain 324 kilocalories. Fats are 31 gram, carbohydrates are 15, and proteins are 4 gram. Avocados have high fat content, however most is monounsaturated fat. These are low in saturated fat and are sodium and cholesterol free. They are a good source of dietary fiber and also contain lutein, which is a carotene that is phytochemical, which has antioxidant properties. 1 medium-sized banana, about 118 gram, contain 109 calories, 28 gram carbohydrate, and these are a good source of vitamin B6, vitamin C, potassium, and fiber. Blackberries are high in vitamin C and they are a good source of dietary fiber. They also contain allergic acid, which is a phytochemical that helps prevent cancer. Half cup of blackberries contain 37 calories and 9 gram of carbohydrates. Vitamin C is about 15 milligram. Blueberries have been a source of food and medicine for thousands of years. These are good source of vitamin C, and recent research has shown that blueberry may help prevent urinary tract infection by increasing the acidity of urine. Now, half cup of blueberries contain 41 calories and 10 gram of carbohydrate and 9 milligram of vitamin C. Cranberry juice cocktail is considered effective for preventing or treating urinary tract infection, in part because of its high acidity and its ability to inhibit bacteria from adhering to the lining of urinary tract. Fresh cranberries are a good source of vitamin C. In addition, they contain bioflavonoids, which are plant pigment with antioxidant properties. Half cup of cranberry contains 23 calories and 6 gram of carbohydrate and 6 milligram of vitamin C. Now, currants may be black, red, pink or white, and true currants are not to be confused with raisins, which are small dried grapes. An infusion of young leaves of black currant syrup makes our drinks, which is similar to green tea. Currants are high in vitamin C. Half cup of black currant, they contain 31 calories and 89 gram of carbohydrate, 1 gram of protein. Potassium is about 154 milligram and vitamin C is 23 milligram. Gooseberry may be white to yellow, green, pink, red, purple or nearly black. These are high in vitamin C and are a good source of fiber and bioflavonoids, which are plant pigments with antioxidant properties. Half cup of gooseberry contain 33 calories, 8 gram of carbohydrate and 1 gram of protein, and 21 milligram of vitamin C. Mulberry can be eaten raw or they can be used to make jam, jellies, ice cream, pudding and sauces. These are also excellent as dried fruits, and these are high in vitamin C. Half cup of mulberry contain 30 calories, 7 gram of carbohydrate, 1 gram of protein, 27 milligram of calcium and 25 milligram of vitamin C. Raspberry are high in vitamin C and are a good source of both soluble and insoluble fibers. Half cup contains about 30 calories, 7 gram of carbohydrate and 1 gram of protein. Vitamin C is about 15 milligram. Fresh strawberries are most frequently served sliced over small shortcakes, or whole long strawberries dipped in chocolate make an elegant dessert. Mixed in a blender with milk or yogurt, honey and other fruits make a refreshing nutritious shake. These are high in vitamin C. Half cup or 5 whole fruit contain 22 calories, 5 gram of carbohydrate and 41 milligram of vitamin C. Breadfruit is not eaten as a fruit but as a high carbohydrate vegetable. Like potatoes, it can be peeled, boiled, steamed, baked, grilled, stir-fried or made into salad resembling a potato salad. Despite its name, it is not used to make bread. It is high in vitamin C and fiber and is a good source of potassium. 1/4 small, about 96 gram, contain 99 calories, 26 gram of carbohydrate, 28 milligram of vitamin C. Carambola is also known as star fruit or star apple. It is high in vitamin C and is a good source of vitamin A and dietary fiber. One raw carambola, about 127 gram, contain 42 calories, 10 gram of carbohydrate, 1 gram of protein, 620 units of vitamin A and 27 milligram of vitamin C. Cherries may be red, yellow or black. Sour cherries are high in vitamin C and vitamin A than the sweet varieties. They also contain terpenes, which are phytochemicals that may help prevent cancer. Now, half cup of sweet cherries, about 73 gram, contain 52 calories, 12 gram of carbohydrate, 150 units of vitamin A and 5 milligram of vitamin C. Coconut provides some fiber but is high in fat, a substantial amount of which is saturated fat. Coconut oil is the most highly saturated of all plant-based oil and is best consumed in limited amounts. Now, one piece of about 1.25 to 1 inch, which is about 23 gram, contain 80 calories, 8 gram fat, 3 gram carbohydrate and 1 gram of protein. Vitamin C is only 1 milligram. Dates provide minimal amounts of vitamin and minerals, but they are a good source of dietary fiber. 5 dried grapes contain 114 calories, 31 gram of carbohydrate, 1 gram protein, and 13 milligram of calcium and 271 milligram of potassium. Durian is a good source of vitamin C. Half cup raw, about 61 gram, contain 89 calories, 3 gram of fat, 16 gram of carbohydrate, 265 milligram of potassium, and 23 milligram of phosphorus. Fresh and dried figs are good source of vitamin B6 and are high in dietary fiber. 3 medium raw fresh figs of about 150 gram contain 111 calories, 29 gram of carbohydrate, 1 gram of protein, 53 milligram of calcium, 348 milligram of potassium and 0.2 milligram of vitamin B6. Grapefruits are high in vitamin C. They contain vitamin A and lycopene, an antioxidant that may help prevent cancer. It contains a chemical that can alter intestinal absorption of some medicines and can lead to higher than normal blood levels of these drugs and potential problems. Half medium raw grapefruit, about 128 gram, contain 41 calories, 10 gram of carbohydrate, 1 gram of protein and 44 milligram of vitamin C. Grapes contain excellent source of vitamin C. Red grapes contain phytochemical resveratrol, which may contribute to prevention of heart disease. Now, half cup or about 80 gram or 18 fruits contain 57 calories, 14 gram of carbohydrate, 1 gram of protein and 9 milligram of vitamin C. Guava are a good source of vitamin A, that is beta carotene, and they are rich in vitamin C. It also contains dietary fiber and lycopene, which is a carotenoid with antioxidant properties. Now, one guava of about 90 gram contains 46 calories, 11 gram of carbohydrate, 256 milligram of potassium, 710 units of vitamin A and 165 milligram of vitamin C. Jackfruit is the largest tree-borne fruit in the world. It is a good source of vitamin C and vitamin A. Half cup of about 83 gram contains 78 calories, 20 gram of carbohydrate and 1 gram of protein. It also contains significant amount of magnesium, phosphorus, vitamin A. Jujubes are also known as Chinese date. These are high in vitamin C. Now, fresh jujubes, about 100 gram, contain 79 calories, 20 gram of carbohydrate, 23 milligram of phosphorus and 69 milligram of vitamin C. Kiwi can be eaten fresh or cooked. It contains enzymes that are similar to pepin, which is used to digest proteins and can be used as meat tenderizer. Kiwi is high in vitamin C and is a good source of fiber. Now, one large kiwi, about 91 gram, contains 56 calories, 14 gram of carbohydrate. It also contains significant amount of phosphorus and folic acid. Longan is a small fruit which is similar to lychee and has a smooth yellow-brown skin. They can be eaten fresh or dried. It is high in vitamin C. 10 raw longan, about 32 gram, contain 19 calories and 5 gram of carbohydrate. Vitamin C is about 27 milligram. Locust can be used as fresh or dried. They are high in vitamin A. Half cup of about 75 gram contain 35 calories and 9 gram of carbohydrate. They also contain significant amount of vitamin A of about 1100 units. Lychee are usually eaten fresh and these are high in vitamin C. 10 raw lychees, about 96 gram, contain 63 calories, 16 gram of carbohydrate, 69 milligram of vitamin C and 30 milligram of phosphorus. Mangoes are generally consumed fresh. They are high in vitamin A and C. Half raw mango of about 104 gram contains 67 kilocalories, 18 gram of carbohydrates. Vitamin A is about 4000 international unit and vitamin C is about 29 milligram. Melons are also a good source of vitamin C. 1/8 melon or 125 gram contain 44 calories, 11 gram of carbohydrates, 339 milligram of potassium and 31 milligram of vitamin C. Watermelons are also a good source of vitamin C and they also contain vitamin B1. Now half cup diced watermelon, about 76 gram, contain 24 calories and 5 gram of carbohydrate and 7 milligram of vitamin C. Nectarine are fruit that look like peaches, but they are more sweeter and less juicy. These are high in vitamin A and vitamin C, and the pit or the stone of nectarine contain amygdalin, which is a compound that is converted to cyanide in the stomach. However, swallowing an occasional pit accidentally is not harmful. Now, one fruit of about 136 gram contains 67 calories and 16 gram of carbohydrate. Fresh olives contain tannins that render them inedible, hence olives should always be processed. These are high in fat content, which is mostly monounsaturated. 10 large ripe olives of about 44 gram contain 51 calories, 5 gram of fat, 3 gram of carbohydrate. These also contain significant amount of sodium, which is 380 milligram. Oranges are high in vitamin C and are a good source of folic acid. They contain antioxidants that promote health. One medium orange, about 131 gram, contains 62 calories, 15 gram of carbohydrate, 237 milligram of potassium, 70 milligram of vitamin C and 40 microgram of folic acid. Papaya are high in vitamin C and they contain beta-cryptoxanthin, which is a phytochemical that promotes health. Now 76 gram or half cup cubes contain 30 calories, 8 gram of carbohydrate, 47 milligram of vitamin C and 29 microgram of folic acid. Peaches are good source of vitamin A and vitamin C. One medium peeled peach, about 98 gram, contain 42 calories, 11 gram of carbohydrate, 193 milligram of potassium, 530 units of vitamin A and 6 milligram of vitamin C. Raw pears with the skin are a good source of vitamin C and dietary fiber. One medium pear, about 166 gram, contain 98 calories, 25 gram of carbohydrate, 208 milligram of potassium and 7 milligram of vitamin C. Persimmon is a Japanese fruit which is an excellent source of vitamin A and a good source of vitamin C and fiber. Now half persimmon, about 84 gram, contain 59 calories, 16 gram of carbohydrate, about 1800 units of vitamin A and 6 microgram of folic acid. Pineapples are high in vitamin C and they contain phytochemical that promote health. Half cup diced pineapple, about 78 gram, contain 38 calories, 10 gram of carbohydrate and vitamin C about 12 milligram. Plums are a good source of vitamin C and dried plums or prunes are good source of vitamin A and fiber, and they also contain izatin, which is a natural laxative. Now one medium raw plum, about 66 gram, contain 36 calories, 9 gram of carbohydrate and 6 milligram of vitamin C. Pomegranate are a good source of potassium, vitamin C and vitamin B6. One fruit of about 154 gram contain 105 calories, 26 gram of carbohydrate, 399 milligram of potassium, 9 milligram of vitamin C and 0.2 milligram of vitamin B6. These also contain 1 milligram each of pantothenic acid, vitamin E and niacin. Tamarind, about 10 fruits, which are about 20 gram, contain 48 calories, 13 gram of carbohydrate, 126 milligram of potassium, 23 milligram of phosphorus, and 3 microgram of folic acid. Tangerine are citrus fruit like oranges. These are excellent source of vitamin C, and they also contain vitamin A. Now one medium, about 84 gram, contain 37 calories, 9 gram of carbohydrate, 770 international units of vitamin A, 26 milligram of vitamin C, and 17 microgram of folic acid. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.